Imagine a cleaning experience that's powerful, effortless and refreshingly pure. Where every surface feels as fresh as nature intended. What if I told you that achieving this level of cleanliness is easier than ever? Introducing PowerWash HOCl Powder, your ultimate solution for a cleaner, fresher home. At the heart of PowerWash HOCl Powder is the science of hypochlorous acid, HOCl. Effectively cleans and refreshes surfaces. Gently lifts away residues. Leaves your space feeling naturally pure. This remarkable formula activates instantly when mixed with water, delivering a fresh and effective clean with every spray. With PowerWash HOCl Powder, cleaning is simpler than ever. Spray onto any surface, wipe away for a refreshingly clean finish. With Solutions HOCl, you're choosing a high-performance cleaning solution inspired by nature's own formula. Ready to upgrade your cleaning experience? For a limited time, enjoy special pricing on PowerWash HOCl Powder. Click the link below and bring the power of HOCl into your home today.